All right, question 22. Find a 95% confidence interval for the proportion of married people who would remarry their spouse. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a confidence interval for proportion. I've got two confidence interval formulas. I've got this one right here and this one right here. Now this one is a confidence interval for proportion. This is confidence interval for the mean. So I'm going to take this one right here, which means I need p hat and I need the margin of error. And we've already got both of those informations based on the previous questions before this one right here. Okay, so I know that p hat is 0.847, and I know that the margin of error is 0.058. So I'm just going to plug that into my formula. So 0.847 minus 0.058 less than p less than 0.847 plus 0.058. So that will give us 0.847 plus, so we can put 0.847 plus or minus 0.058, and that's just taking this right here. Notice they're the same number, and then you're subtracting and you're adding the same number. So this is just another way of writing this right here. It's just more condensed. So that's what you see in the answer choices. It's a number plus or minus another number. Now you could always write it like this right here, 0.789 less than p less than 0.905. That is what we are used to, but since the answer choices are a little bit different, it would just be this number here and then plus or minus this number right here. So there's our answer right there, C. So this is nothing different. It's just saving you a step of adding and subtracting those two numbers together. They say, hey, here's this number, add or subtract this number right here, and you'll end up with your confidence interval for P.